Okay, so walking down towards grandmother's house, just checking out more stuff. This is pretty cool though. Look at that, just right down in there. But man, these big old chunks. And it's just so, it feels like that that green stuff they use to make fire arrangements, that foam. It's real soft. Man, pretty thick up around these implements here. The infamous van. My gosh. I mean, this is just snowball fight waiting to happen right here. But man, it is cold. The air isn't cold, but man, touching that snow is just like really cold. Rocky hanging out down there. Sounds like my dog. Man, back there by the camper and boat, oh my gosh. It's pretty high. Man, and they're in the garden. Goodness. It's cool walking on it, it's just like but that's up to my knee right there. Oh. Yep. Turn around. Pretty cool stuff. Pretty cool.